Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to replace the default Roblox avatar with a custom rig. We'll create a custom rig, set it up correctly, and replace the default character in Roblox Studio, step by step. First, open Roblox Studio and go to the Avatar tab. Click on Character, and choose an R15 rig, then block Avatar. This rig will be the base for your custom avatar. Now add your custom clothes and accessories. I already have a full tutorial on adding clothing properly, so make sure to check that out if you haven't yet. Now for the most important part, replacing the default avatar. Select your rig character, then rename it by click and wait for short time. Rename it to StarterCharacter, the name must exactly match. Scroll down and look for Starter Player folder. Then drag StarterCharacter into it. When you hit play, your custom avatar should now spawn instead of the default one. Cool, now I'm Goku and I fully controlling my custom Goku character. And that's it, you've successfully replaced the default Roblox avatar with a custom rig. If this helped, leave a like, subscribe for more Roblox dev tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.